Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good and safe. Very good children. I hope you are all watching the video lessons continuously. Every day you will be listening and watching the video and learning the new lessons. Isn't it? Very good. Now, today I welcome you all for the 7th standard English second language class. Are you all ready with your textbooks, notebook, pen and pencil children? Very good. I welcome you in a different way. Now, I am going to show you an interesting video on a welcome song. Shall we watch together? Yes children, I request you all to stand up. Let's all do the dance. Are you all ready? Come on, get up. Shall we play the video now? Good children. Yes.
Everybody just bounce and feel the beat of the drums. It's a happy welcome song, so make sure you smile. Now, traveling arms from low to high. And burst. Hold your heart. Now swing your arms like you're marching. Reach to the audience. Hold your heart. Reach to the audience again. And we do the whole thing again. Traveling arms and burst. Hold your heart. Swing your marching arms. Reach both hands. Do that one more time. Now a new soloist comes forward. And turn your arms. Burst. Hold your heart. Swing your marching style arms. Reach to the audience. Now bring forward a new soloist.
Children, have you all enjoyed the video now? Yes, we have learnt a song with a yes. Now, I am going to show you some pictures because I am not telling what lesson we are going to learn today, isn't it? Yes, I am going to give some clues. After seeing the pictures, you can guess what will be the new lesson today. Okay? Yes, come on. What are you seeing in this picture, children? Yes, our national flag. Yes. And here one more picture. Yes, what they are celebrating here? They are celebrating, yes, you are right. They are celebrating the Independence Day in the school. We will hoist the Indian national flag on that day. ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ದಿನ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಯಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಟ್ರೈಕಲರ್ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಗ್, ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಾಯಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಕೇಶನ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ Independence Day. It is our national festival we do in our schools. What will be the next picture? Yes, see a girl dressed up like a Bhuvaneshwari Mate and she is holding the flag in her hand. ಕನ್ನಡ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. It may be in the stadium, isn't it children? Yes. See? Yes. ಏನಿರಬಹುದು ಇದು? What would be? Yes, you can guess it now. It is Kannada Rajyotsava. We celebrate Kannada Rajyotsava in our schools or all together in the stadium on November 1st. ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿನಂದು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, this is the second clue. And what would be the third one? Yes. ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋನಲ್ಲಿರೋರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ? ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಷನ್, ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ. See in the picture, some girls and boys are lighting the lamps in front of Gandhiji's photo. Some children are lighting the candles, lighting the lamps. What would be that? Yes, we can guess. That is Gandhi Jayanti. Correct, children. Yes, what will be the next one? Oh, this is also a celebration in a school. Teachers are sitting one side, boys and girls are singing a song. Yes, all children are assembled in the assembly hall. Yes, I will give you one more clue. See, who is he? Yes, avaru Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan avaru. Why I am giving this picture, children? What we will do in our schools? On his birthday, we will celebrate Teachers' Day. Isn't it? Yes. That is the right time to show our gratitude towards our teachers. Okay. Happy Teachers' Day to all our teachers. Yes. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವಂಥ ದಿನ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ. Are you all know that? Good children. Why I am telling all these national festivals? Yes. Among these, one is your topic today. Yes, that is the poem, a beautiful poem about the teachers that has given in your textbooks. Okay. Are you all ready to learn a new poem? Yes, all of you open page number 50. That is Why God Made Teachers. Yes, we should know that, right? All of you open your textbook page number 50 and you can see the poem Why God Made Teachers. Yes. Now, let us learn the new words. What would be the new word? Comprehend. Yes, children. What is meant by comprehend? To understand something that is difficult or complicated. To understand something difficult, that is difficult or complicated. ಕಷ್ಟವಾದದ್ದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಿಹೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್? COMPREHEND, comprehend. Comprehend means understanding something that is difficult or complicated. We can use comprehend word in a sentence also. See what he is doing? Yes, he is telling, I can't comprehend it. That means he cannot understand that. Comprehend means understand something difficult. He cannot understand that. So, he is telling, I can't understand it. I can't comprehend it. Children, please take down this. Let's learn another new word, discovery. DISCOVERY, discovery. What is meant by discovery, children? Yes, a fact or thing that someone learns or finds out for the first time. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದರನ್ನ someone learns or finds out for the first time is called discovery. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯುವುದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ಅಂತ, ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ. We can say the word discovery in a sentence like this. Polio vaccine was discovered by the scientist Dr. Jonas Salk. The last one is grace, GRACE, grace. What is meant by grace, children? The kindness that God shows to the human race. The kindness God shows to us, that is called grace. The kindness that God shows to the human race is grace. Yes. ದೇವರು ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್, by God's grace we are all healthy. Isn't it, children? We are all healthy now because of the God's grace. You should take down this also. Good. Yes. Now let's move to the poem. What is that? Why God made teachers. Yes, you are right. All of you open page number 50 in your textbook. Children, first I will recite the poem. You all close the books and listen to me carefully. After that, we together can recite the poem. Then you will be looking into your textbooks. Okay? Shall we start now? Good. All of you close your textbooks and listen to me carefully. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow, so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world a better, wiser place. Yes, this is the poem written by Kevin William Huff. How beautiful it is, right? Have you all enjoyed this? Yes, children. Let us sing together now. Now, I request you all to open the textbook, page number 50. You can follow me looking into your textbook. Are you all ready? Come on. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His word and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow, so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Have you all enjoyed singing? Yes. Now let us know what is the summary, what is the meaning of this poem now. See, in this poem, the poet very clearly telling God is unable to come and teach all of us. Yes. So, He created the teachers as our best friends, close friends. Yes, we can experience this. We all experienced this, right, children? Yes. Our teachers are our best friends, good friends. So, God cannot come all the way from the heaven. So, He created the teachers as our best friends. See, we can say here, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. See, that is the place God has given to the teachers. Yes, we should obey them. He created teachers as our best friends because teachers explain the difficult things and make us understand the world in a better way. Yes, then only we can understand the world in a better way, right? That is very much true. As our best friends, teachers help us to become a better person. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅವರು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. they will support us to become a better person and understand the discoveries. ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಏನೇನು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They teach us the new things and they make us to understand all the things and understand the discoveries. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಮಗೆ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ವರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಹೊಸ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ದ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್. ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ. ಏಕೆ? ಟು ನೋ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾತ್, ಟು ಗೋ ಇನ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾತ್, ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್. They help us, they guide us to choose the right path, to go in a right path instead of doing wrong. By teachers' wisdom and grace, one can learn to make our world a better and wiser place. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ if we want to live in this world, we need some guide. Yes, teachers ಅಂದರೆ not only in schools, all those who are helping us to lead our life easily, happily, those are all our teachers. They may be our parents. Yes, we can say, we can remember our mother. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್, they will keep on guiding us, they will support us. Yes, by teachers' wisdom and grace, one can learn to make the world better and wiser place. So teachers are very, very important children. ಹೌದು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ನಾವೇನೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. Do you agree that? Yes, we must agree. Because of my teachers, I learnt and I am standing in front of you today. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ನನಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೂನ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಕೈಂಡ್. ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ವರ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್, to love the world, to love the living things like animals, plants, to love the nature. Because of them, we are here today. Understand? And we respect our teachers because they lighten up our lives. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಬೈ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬೈ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್, ಬೈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಟನ್ ಅಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಟುಡೇ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್? ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಗುರುಗಳ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವ ಇವಾಗ? ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಿಹೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ರೆಡಿ? ಹೂ ರೋಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್? Children, it is very easy question. I know. You will say, yes, Kevin William Huff wrote this poem. Exactly, it is correct. Please take down these children. Yes. My next question is, who made the teachers? Who made the teachers? Yes, your answer is correct. God made the teachers. ಹೌದು, ದೇವರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. Take down, children. Next one is, why did God make teachers? Why God make teachers? God made teachers to show the correct path and help children to grow. Yes, your answer is correct, absolutely correct. God made teachers to show the correct path and help children to grow. Exactly. Let us see how are teachers helpful to us. It has given you in your textbook also. Let us see this. One by one, they have given 5 points. Let us discuss each point one after the other. Let us discuss now. Teachers remain guiding stars throughout our lives. Isn't it, children? Yes, of course. Teacher is the best guide because, yes, they will tell us what is right and what is wrong, in which path we have to move. So, teachers remain guiding stars throughout our lives. When we are in sorrow, when we are in confusion, when we are in depression, they will guide us. What happened to you? You can do like this, you can come out of this, like that they will guide throughout our lives. Yes. Second one, they show us the right path. Yes, children, they show us the right path. They will tell us to go in the right path. Correct ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. That means we should obey the elders, we should respect the elders. Always we should speak truth. We should not steal anything. These are all the good things they will teach us. Yes. Very good. Let us move to the third one. They help us understand the world around us. This is the very important one. They help us to understand the world around us. Yes, teachers are helping us to learn the lessons through these media. Good friends for us. They will teach us. They help us understand the world around us. How to behave in this world, how to behave with your friends, how to behave with your elders. These are all we learn from our teachers. Yes. The fourth one is, they teach us to appreciate nature and all living beings. Yes, they teach us to appreciate nature. They guide us to love nature and living beings like animals, birds, insects. They will say, you should not harm any living things. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನೀರಿನ ಆಕರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ they will teach us to appreciate the nature and living beings also. Now, let us go to the fifth one. They help us to develop respect for others. In the beginning only we are discussing about this. They will teach us to give respect to our elders like parents, friends, teachers, neighbors, everybody. Those who are all elders for us. Teachers help us to develop respect towards the elders. Teachers are helpful to us by teaching all this. Okay. Good children. Have you understood this? Very good. Now, let us move to the next exercise which has given in your textbook, mind map. Complete the mind map given below. Teachers, we thank you for 2 they have given for you. Already they have given 2 points why we thank our teachers. See, in the center bubble, teachers, we thank you for, what for? Your guidance. Teachers, we thank you for your guidance. The second one is, teachers, we thank you for showing us the right path. So, remaining 3 bubbles we have to fill. Okay? Will you try that? Of course, you will try, I know that. You are all clever. Yes. What do we write here? Helping us to understand the world around us. Teachers, we thank you for helping us to understand the world around us. Yes, children, copy down this in your textbooks. Yes. What is the next one? Teaching to appreciate nature and all living things. Yes, you can write down this. Teaching to appreciate nature and all living things. Take down this, children. Very good. Let us move to the next bubble. Yes, you are ready with the answer. I know that. You are all very clever children. What will you write here? Yes, exactly. Helping to develop respect towards others. Teachers, we thank you for helping to develop respect towards others. Yes, this is very true. Teachers will help us to develop respect towards others. That's why we are writing this here. Yes, children, you can take down this also. Now, let us find out the rhyming words here, which are all in the poem. Correct. First one is guide, decide. Second one is wrong, strong. Yes. Correct, children. Yes. Grace, place. Yes, children. These are all the rhyming words we can see in this poem, Why God Created Teachers. Now, it is a time for homework, children. Yes. What is the homework for you? Very simple and interesting homework I am going to give you. Yes, are you all ready? Yes. Write a few sentences about your favorite teacher who influenced you. I hope you will do the assignment because it is very interesting. Okay, children. I hope you have all enjoyed my class today. A big thank you for you all. I am your Lakshmi K. Shastri, assistant teacher working in Government Higher Primary School, Bangalore Urban District. Thank you, children. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.